Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what's necessary: a Python 3, 8+ environment with virtualenv and the Dash and Nagi packages installed. Once done, place your Nagi config and API key in the project root so the services can authenticate. You then create a minimal Dash app file and import Nagi client. This establishes the integration entry point. Make sure to enable logging at debug level so you can see connection handshakes. Now run the app once to verify imports succeed. You now wire Dash interactions to Nagi. Instantiate the Nagi client with your key and attach it to the Dash server instance so events flow. Then write focused callbacks that emit structured events to Nagi whenever users interact, form submits, button clicks, and state changes. Because tokens expire, implement a refresh routine inside a background thread or on demand in callbacks. Also validate payload schemas before sending. Since Nagi enforces strict formats, catching errors locally avoids lost telemetry. You complete the integration by running full user flow tests and confirming events appear correctly in the Nagi dashboard. Compare timestamps and payload keys. If something fails, check logs for authentication failures, schema validation errors, or network timeouts, and replicate the failing request locally. Make sure to implement a local queue or retry policy so events aren't lost if Nagi is temporarily down. If problems persist, isolate the callback and reproduce with sample payloads to pinpoint mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.